In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-step verification on TickTick. So to start, go to your profile at the top left. Next, click on Settings and under Account. Here you will see two-step verification. Click on Setting right here and click on Enable. Next, you need to enter the verification code sent to your email. So click on Send Code right here and go to your email. Next, click on the email and type in this code right here. Go back to TickTick and paste it and click on Next. Next, you need to add a verification method to enable two-step verification. So let's click on email verification code. So tap in your email address and click on Send Code. Go to your email. So look for the email that was sent to you and copy the code and paste it on TickTick. And click on Add. And now the two-step verification is enabled. So if you encounter login issues, you can use the backup code right here. So be sure to download and store the backup code securely. So you can click on download. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.